Today we're going to change the seat covers on our 2018 Subaru Crosstrek. We're going to install custom fit Coverking seat covers. Let's see if they're worth the money. As we look inside, you see we have universal fit seat covers in here right now. And these are everything I hate about seat covers. They're loose, they're bulky, they don't look like they fit, they don't go up and over. They're really junky looking on our nice car. Now, of course, we have leather seats in here and we want to protect them from this little mongrel right here. And that's why we're going ahead and putting in new seat covers. This car is very new to us still, so we want to protect it for the long run and we want it to look good. So we got this is a custom seat cover kit. So it looks like kind of like a anti-slide material that maybe goes underneath the seat cover, between the seat and the seat cover. All right, and we open up the bag, we can see that these are the headrest pieces, and they seem pretty high quality, and they got some Velcro, 3 different Velcro straps. So that'll be interesting when we put that on. And here is the regular seat cover. You can see that it does have the custom holes here in the top for the headrest. And when we flip it over and look at the back here, we can see that there's a big pocket here and quite a few straps, and looks like everything's adjustable. So far so good. And this is one thing that we really liked about these seat covers is they're full as far as they cover the front and back. And since we have the dog, we wanted to make sure the front and back was covered. All right, so we ordered the front and back seat covers, and this is only the front. So we're gonna have to see what happened there. All right, so I got my old junky seat covers off. You can see the seats are still really nice on this. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean and condition my seats before I put the new seat covers on with this Armor All leather care. Okay, so the custom seat cover kit comes with a glove to protect your hand while you're working under the seat, this nifty little tool for tucking and retrieving the straps. So you'll be able to push these under, and then a non-stick pad that goes on the seat bottom. So you go on Coverking, there's no instructions that come with these seat covers, but if you go on coverking.com/help, you can find your vehicle, and they have really nice tutorials on how to make this work. So I'm going to go ahead and link that in my video as well. So we're making progress here. I got it started. The top is on, and I got the headrest seats all rounded out there and poked through. There's the seat cover headrest cover, and that went on pretty easy. But really the how-to part of this, you're going to want to go to Coverking and watch that video. It's very well done. All right, install is complete. And overall, I would say I'm very happy. I've got in and out a few times, and it was not sliding around. They feel nice and tight. It looks good. I like the look. This is what we wanted, of course. There's lots of varieties you can choose from. It's a little tricky underneath the seat, getting the clips to hook. You'll see some tricks they'll show you in the how-to video on coverking.com. But overall, I'm happy with these seats. And you can see, if you're going to do seat covers, the difference between this side and this side. It's definitely a marked improvement for seat covers. Let's look at the back. The back is definitely going to give us nice protection. So now the back neoprene covers the entire headrest, and this is all covered as well. So our little dog will not, our big dog I should say, will not trash our seats too bad, and it's got a nice pocket that comes in it as well. Let's go ahead and do the other side. All right, passenger side done. Much easier once you know all the tricks, and I'm also very pleased. So now there's the new look of our interior on our 2018 Crosstrek. So far, I would say the quality on these are good. The installation is fairly simple, and the fit is great. Now it's time to do the back seat. We got to get our hammock out of here. This is called a dog hammock. So I got to get this all removed, and then we'll get the back seat covers in as well. And man, loving these seats. I like how covered and protected the back of the seat covers are now, or of the seats. The back seat came out nice and easy, the bottoms. So we have it here, and I have the seat cover ready to go on it. So we're going to do this part first per the instruction video, but definitely a good opportunity to clean this seat thoroughly. You can see we got a lot of dirt there and there where the seat belts come through, and you can hear my wife is out there vacuuming underneath the seat too because there was crumbs, because we do give him treats in the back seat, and sometimes crumbs get down into the seats, don't they? Okay, so we've run into some issues with the back seat cover. This here, we cannot get this to tuck. So we think the hole is cut too big, and it's really borderline there. It's also very baggy, even though we've done everything according to the instructions. But I think one of the problems we're running into is we have these rubber optional seat protectors on the back, and I think that might be making it feel not quite right. So after messing with it for quite a while, not being totally happy with it, I mean, we're spent $140 on these seat covers, and I want to be totally happy. So the front seat covers we're going to keep, and we're going to send the rear seat covers back. There are the rear seat covers ready to go back. Auto Anything sent us a shipping label to return them because they did not fit properly. So it's all ready to head back to Auto Anything tomorrow. So we've had the seat covers in for a couple of weeks now, and they're fitting nice and tight and holding up well. Auto Anything was really cool about the return on the rear seat cover, so definitely check them out. I would recommend them as a vendor. Their customer service is excellent. So all in all, we're really happy with these seat covers. They are a little spendy, but I think they're worth it if you really want a nice seat cover that's probably going to last and at least look good while it protects your seat. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like. Right, Kaiser?